The East African Legislative Assembly's Trade and Investment Committee is set to review a number of laws to reduce the barriers to easier trade between the member states. The reforms will touch on synchronization of cross-border movement of goods to reduce time wastage and harmonize revenue collection across the member states.
There have been a number of positive things that have happened over the years because of the East African integration. There are still some challenges which we are trying to address, and that is the purpose of coming here. So today, meeting with Captain Ruto and the rest of the KPA team is an effort to understand where the challenges are as we see them from the Sudan side, from the Ugandan side, from the other East African countries, and to see how we can remove some of these non-tariff barriers and some of the challenges that we have here in Mombasa. We have unnecessary borders. So if goods have been inspected in Mombasa port, why do they need to be inspected again in Namanga or in the Ugandan side? This type of repetition of services just increase costs for traders and for business.
If anything comes, the idea is whenever anything comes to the port, everybody's supposed to see it. Those kind of are supposed to facilitate, but some of the partner states, we don't have that. So these are some of the challenges I think is important, that anything that comes, all of the interested parties are able to track it so that there is avoidance of counterfeits or things that can pass without being checked. So I think this is one of the major challenges, and we will be interfacing with the Revenue Authority. We can find out and see how these challenges can be resolved.
As the world races to eliminate female genital mutilation by